The expression, "we'll cross that bridge when we come to it," suggests that people should only address problems when an issue arises. But does this same logic apply to lawsuits? In International Longshoremen's and Warehousemen's Union versus Boyd, the United States Supreme Court answered whether a claim is justiciable if the issue in question hasn't occurred yet. Before Alaska became a state in 1959, Alaska was only a territory of the United States. A section in the Immigration and Nationality Act of 1952 could be construed as requiring the government to treat resident aliens who return from temporary work in Alaska as aliens who are entering the United States for the first time. John Boyd, the District Director of Immigration and Naturalization in Seattle, Washington, intended to enforce the section of the Act under that interpretation. Some members of the International Longshoremen's and Warehousemen's Union were resident aliens who were domiciled in the continental United States. Every summer, the union members would travel from the continental U.S. to Alaska, where the members would work in salmon and herring canneries. The union sued to enjoin Boyd from interpreting the section in the Act as requiring resident aliens to be treated as aliens who are entering the United States for the first time after returning from Alaska. The union also argued that the provision was unconstitutional. At the time the union filed its suit, there had never been any sanctions against the members under the Act, and none of the members had left the continental U.S. and traveled to Alaska for the 1953 fishing season. The district court heard the parties' claims, but it dismissed the suit on the merits. The union appealed to the United States Supreme Court. On appeal, Boyd argued that the district court erred by considering the merits of the case. Instead, the court should have dismissed the case for lack of standing, because there wasn't a case or controversy.